Kids Create. This is Lexi. Always wanted to be able to introduce myself on like a YouTube channel. But I just wanted to say that I miss you guys and that this whole situation is incredibly strange and weird. But we're going to make it happen. We're going to be completely online for at least the next few weeks. And we're all trying to figure it out. But I just kind of wanted to hop on here, let you know what our plans are going to be, and give you a really quick devotional of some things that I've been thinking about in the midst of all this like crazy virus and stay-at-home stuff. But first things first, I just kind of wanted to quickly run over the schedule with you guys. We posted the schedule on Instagram, and then some of you might have received a text message from a few of the leaders. But just quickly, for those of you who may not have seen it, on Tuesdays, we're going to have a YouTube video of some sort. So, hello, first YouTube video on Tuesday mornings, posted by 10 a.m. So you can go check that out whenever that comes out on Tuesdays. Also on Tuesdays, we're going to have our weekly Bible study. It'll be on Zoom, and I know some of you are, well, I think all of you are using Zoom for your classes. So you're just going to hop on Zoom, and we'll make sure and post like the ID information so you can log in. That'll be at 3:30 on Tuesdays. We'll also have some Instagram stuff being posted weekly. Check that out. Wednesdays, for the 6th grade girls, you're still going to be working with Melody on Zoom. Again, I'll make sure and send that Zoom ID to the 6th grade girls who are working specifically on their projects. We have homework and tutoring time that will be led by Evelyn on Wednesdays every week at 4 p.m. So that's a great time to hop on, and if you have any questions for homework, or even if you just want to sit and do homework together while you're talking with your friends, really great time to do that. 4 o'clock Wednesdays, homework and tutoring. Drew will hop on Instagram live and do some worship for y'all. And then another YouTube video will be posted Wednesday night. Thursdays, more stuff on Instagram. And my favorite part that I'm most excited about is that you guys will have an opportunity to challenge a leader to do something crazy. And so how that's going to work is on Instagram. So if you don't follow us on Instagram, look up Kids Create. As I am talking, I will look it up and show you. But you'll go on Instagram for one of the stories, and you'll be able to vote on one of the polls. And it'll be like, hey, I want Lexi to crack an egg over her head or whatever. And whatever gets the most votes, the leader will record themselves doing it, and we'll do the challenge. It'll be really great. And that video will be posted on Instagram every single Thursday. And so just so you guys know, this is what, oh man, this is gonna suck if it's backwards, but that's our Instagram page, Kids Create. Actually, it's kids.create if you want to get very specific, but we're gonna be posting stuff here and then obviously on the YouTube channel as well. And then just also, last thing I wanted to go over is just some devotion stuff, you know, things that I've been thinking about that have helped me. Some of you might remember, but we were going through Ecclesiastes not too long ago. That's the book of the Bible that talks about, you know, there's a time for everything. There's a time to be born and a time to die, right? And we went over all that. Towards the end, so it's Ecclesiastes chapter 3, verse 11. It says, "Yet God has made everything beautiful for its own time. He has planted eternity in the human heart, but even so, people cannot see the whole scope of God's work from beginning to end." And I know in the midst of this pandemic, there's a lot of fear, right? I'm sure some of you have maybe gone shopping with family members to Walmart and seen how all the toilet paper is gone and all the hand sanitizer, and just the fear of getting sick and loved ones and all this stuff, right? But we have to remember that God is a really good God, and God is in control of a lot of things. And even though it may not make sense to us right now, one day, or maybe it may never make sense, but God's got it, you know? So I find really a lot of comfort in this, that God has made everything for its own time. And it's beautiful in its own timing, even in the midst of panic. But we can choose to still worship Him in the midst of all this craziness. And then same thing in Isaiah 41. So it's the book of Isaiah, chapter 41, verse 10. It says, "Don't be afraid, for I am with you. Don't be discouraged, for I am your God. I will strengthen you and help you. I will hold you up with my victorious right hand. I love that. It's just a reminder that God is our strength, and there's sometimes things that I can't do on my own. I have to rely on the Lord, and in this, we have to rely on Jesus. You know, it's scary. So, anyways, really quick video, just to say hello. I miss you guys so much, and I really wish that I could see you guys in person. It's really hard to make this completely online, but the beauty of technology is that we can still interact and hang out, even it's not exactly what we want, but we're gonna make it work. So anyways, I love you guys. I hope you have a beautiful rest of your week. We're gonna be on Zoom for our first Bible study online tomorrow, Tuesday at 3:30 p.m. Actually, I'm recording this on a Monday, so you might be seeing this on a Tuesday, so if that's so, it's today, Tuesday, 3:30 p.m. Yay! Yeah, hope to see you guys there. Talk soon.